Hello. Just one of my progress updates for Project Harbinger. I've made a nice big cave environment. I made it so you can climb up the walls and all of that, which is quite fun. This is just me testing some ideas, basically. I've got this little area over here, and I made these crates. I don't think I had the crates in the last update, or the first update, I guess. This was again just me trying to learn how to make textures, and I'm quite happy with that, how that came out. I've improved the inventory system, so now I have multi-tool. I mentioned this at the end of the last video, I think, and how there's going to be different upgrades for it and all that. We've got this nice big area, and you need to get across to there, and so I've implemented the first upgrade, so to speak. So if I point the gun where I want to go and shoot, we can swing. This still needs a bit of refining, but it does feel pretty decent. You know, go anywhere we want, and if you I've made it so that if you, like, say you missed, so you know I want to shoot up to show this, it does slowly pull you towards that place anyway, so you don't have to worry about getting momentum too much. Obviously getting momentum does help. Now, the textures on the floor and here are some that I made myself. I'm just trying to learn Substance 3D Designer. That's why I made these. I also made some barrels. They're nice and heavy, you can't really pull them around. But I do need to pull them around to show you something. So if I put this here and shoot the barrel, you can see that the grapple shoots to the barrel. If I roll it off, the grapple actually reacts to it. I'm not pressing my controller right now, I'm being pulled to this. So it works using physics. That's all I'm trying to show there. If we come back up here, yeah, and it reacts to literally anything with physics, so I could have a big, like, swinging object in the air that you have to swing on. Again, these textures are not, like, permanent or finished. This was just me trying to learn how to use Substance 3D Designer, and I mean, I'm quite happy with how the tile floor came out. This is, like, supposed to be plaster, like a plaster wall, which it does the job, but I think I can get it looking better, so that's not final at all. The rock texture is something I got off of textures.com, so I might try and make my own rock texture. That might be something I work on. But I do quite like this rock texture. So yeah, this is a little show off of some things that are to come. Next, I want to make the ability to change how you're using the multi-tool. So right now it's just on swinger mode, which is the grappling hook. But I would also like to add the shooting mode, like the weapon mode, and the gravity gun mode, which is just based off the gravity gun here, which still works with anything with physics, by the way. As long as the object has physics, the gravity gun can pick it up. Alright, thank you for watching. See you later.